We're here in Coconut Grove for our latest episode where we're going to be meeting up with Derek, Jay, and the Ross Brothers team.
So this is the heart of the project right here. We have a lot of work to do upstairs and downstairs. We're obviously ripping out all the concrete stairs and railings, and we're putting in new wood steps, wood risers, and a new staircase.
The main thing of this particular project is going to be the preparation and the ample protection for all the goods that are in the house, the flooring, and working our way all the way up to the upstairs.
Once you get up here to the top level, this is all going to become wood floors. In here, we're going to continuation with the new floors. We're going to leave the wall unit in place. We're going to pull off the toe kicks. This whole closet's coming out. And then everything is coming out of here. We're ripping open these walls because this is going to be all one open closet. We're putting a new countertop, new sinks, new faucets, new mirrors. There are going to be 2 lit mirrors. There's going to be TVs going to stand. And that is going to match, the top porch is going to match this. And we have a new tub and we have a new faucet. And then we're going to be doing vinyl flooring throughout. When we finish the upstairs, they'll be able to live up here and it'll be brand new and beautiful while we construct downstairs. So, our whole goal is to make sure that the process is just as important as the craftsmanship.